Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm using Hush Beauty Brow Tamer. I'm using Ferrarishi concealer. I'm using Hege and Esther brow gel. I'm using eye pencil, guys. So just enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. First of all, I'm using my brow tamer to make sure the hair is in shape. Like, take the hair up, just makes your hair look very arranged. So after that, I'm outlining my eyebrow with my David's eye pencil. This is a very common eye pencil. It's about 100 naira in Nigeria. So I'm using it to outline my eyebrows. So when I want to know where to stop my eyebrow, I just measure it. Like, there's a particular measurement I give my eyebrow, so I don't exceed it. I don't exceed this point. I don't make it too long, I don't make it too short. So when I'm outlining, I make sure that the outline is very sharp.
You should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you.
So now I'm trying to locate the ending of my eyebrow where it's supposed to end. Yes, that is how to know where the line of the eyebrow where it should end. So now I'm trying to place my arcs. There are different kinds of arcs. There are harsh arcs. Would I say harsh, like very detailed arcs, and there are soft arcs. So depends on the one you want. A soft arc is the arc that is not so obvious, not so if there's any word like that. So I'm just shading slightly.
If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So after that, I use my spoolie to brush in an upward direction. It's very important to brush. When you brush your eyebrows up, it just keeps it in place and it makes your eyebrows turn out very nice. So guys, this video, you are going to enjoy it because it's very detailed. So just take a minute and just hit that like button for me. Please just do that for me. Just hit the like button. So right now I'm adding strokes with a flat brush and eyebrow gel. The eyebrow gel I used in this tutorial is Hege and Esther in the shade Nubian. So you can buy it. Nubian is not too dark, it's not too light. It's just a shade in between light and dark. So I'm using it to add strokes, tiny strokes. You know how your hair grows now. Like, I'm trying to form strokes, hair-like strokes, just like your hair grows naturally. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not trying to do in this video. So guys, it's very easy. Like, these strokes are very easy. Once your brush is very flat, trust me, you get the strokes right. And when you do that, don't forget to drop a comment for me, people. Just drop a comment and tell me how your experience was.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So right now I'm using concealer to further emphasize the strokes. I want it to be more visible, so I'll put a fair concealer, and I'll just cut in my strokes more to make the eyebrow look so natural, like so natural and detailed.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you you're gone, I will remember.
So I'm cleaning out my eyebrow with my concealer and my angle brush. My Ferrari concealer. I'm using this light shade for it. I'm just concealing it. When concealing, I like starting from the brow bone area. Yes, so that I'll be able to get that done first before I go into the rest part of the eyebrows. So guys, this eyebrow, I know eyebrows can be a bit challenging, but trust me, there's one assignment I want you to do daily, and if it turns out right, don't forget to drop a comment for me down below. Always draw your eyebrows every day. That is just the only secret. If you want to be a master of something, just do that thing regularly and you're going to be a master of it. So if you draw your eyebrows every day, you become so used to it, and your lines becomes more perfect. Like the lines, like when you're concealing, your hand doesn't shake, it wouldn't shake much again, and your lines will be straight more every day. The more you do, the more your lines become straight, and the more you master your eyebrows. So when you do that, don't forget to shout me out. Tell me how the outcome is.
Thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are.
This is my eyebrow. I know the other side I concealed is having a different color, but I'm now enjoying this color I used here. I don't know why, I'm just enjoying this color. I went back to make the other eyebrow have this same shade, it's like a warm kind of yellow shade, not too white, it's just sweet. So I later went back to use that color for the other side of the eyebrow. So right now I'm concealing the top of her eyebrows, and when concealing the top of her eyebrows, I use a shade that is, in short, if I can get her exact skin tone shade, that's what I'll be using to conceal the top. And this is like the closest I could get to her skin tone. So I'm using it right now to conceal the top of her eyebrows. And when concealing the top, just like I said, it's bit by bit. You don't need to rush. Eyebrow is not something you do in a hurry. Just take your time. And even if I make mistake when concealing it, I'll just go back in my Mega and Esther eyebrow filler or eyebrow gel and fill it back in.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So guys, I have other eyebrow tutorials you can check in my videos. I have eyeshadow tutorials, I have videos on how to apply eyeshadow glitters, I have vlogs, beautiful vlogs. So after watching this tutorial, just do me that favor by watching my other tutorials. I have very detailed very detailed tutorials. So guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on IG, Makeover. So thank you for joining this beautiful family, and for those of you that have already subscribed, hey God, you are the real, is it MVP? Like you are the